and Coca-Cola, zero. Let's go. Maybe I'm gonna grab the Coke. No, okay, let's go. Good morning from Pattaya, actually North Pattaya. So cool. Hadi, how you doing, sayang?
All good, and then we just, stroll around in the afternoon after Damian finished editing the video.
Actually, still at morning. It's 11:50 exactly, so still considered as morning.
So yeah, we'll take you to stroll around the Pattaya city, and yeah, so
Yeah, so just enjoy because it's the beach. And we don't have a beach in Bangkok, but here in Pattaya we have it, and it's actually pretty cool. To give you point of view where we are, actually North Pattaya, the beach starting here, and it's actually promenade looks cool with this beautiful coconut tree. Actually, that's the palm trees to be exact. They're a little bit different, and promenade looks newer than in the central location where we are. It seems like they are refurbishing starting from here. And this is the 7-Eleven. Also 7-Eleven is brand new here. This is the new concept of 7-Eleven with the glass window. This is some nice house, and all of the hotels are actually here. So we stay summer behind this one. This is the Holiday Inn. Mercure was there, and we staying summer behind, and this is Amari also. And the street at mornings looks like this one. As I said, it's 12:50 exactly, 11:50, so it's still early. And well, the view on the beach is beautiful in Pattaya in general, really nothing to complain about. And it's not so busy yet, but it's also very hot, by the way, maybe that's why. And if you're heading into that direction, this is all North Pattaya. So basically behind this peninsula is the beach where we saw yesterday. If you haven't watched my yesterday's video, highly recommended to watch it. Alcohol for some reason is not allowed to drink here or something, I'm not sure. However, there are the bars, so maybe they can. Not sure actually what does it mean. And this is as you cannot swim because like this one, which is very funny actually, because it's in Russian, in Chinese, or something like this one. This one is in Chinese. There is no English or Tar version, but looks like this one. Actually, no, on the other side of the sign it is in English. You cannot swim because of the jellyfish, I think. Yeah, jellyfish, toxic jellyfish injury. So have to be careful of that. And also in Thai actually, so 4 or 5 languages, no Polish though either. One thing about the location of the North Pattaya, why probably I prefer this one over the previous location, the central is quieter. Also the Accor Hotel, the restaurant in Ibis, if you are on the budget, or Holiday Inn or Mercure, they are all connected. Actually, there is like a one road, you can cross the full entire the district, like going to the other side of the street, and they are connected. So it's actually very easy, and the beach is just simply on the other side of the street, and it's actually beautiful. Not mentioned as it's hot, but it's windy this morning, so it's actually cool, enjoyable, sayang, isn't it?
yeah, so walking actually starting from the morning in the afternoon here, enjoying the sea breeze, even it's very hot.
It's very hot actually, but I want to show you a little bit of this part of Pattaya. And also at morning, if it's not sunset time at morning, it's a little bit different atmosphere. You really feel like summer in the holiday destination. Actually, Pattaya is kind of holiday destination, but it's not like an island, it's just the city by the ocean, right? But it's pretty enjoyable. If you don't like hotels of the Accor group, there is Amari Pattaya. Not sure what brand is Amari Pattaya, but seems pretty decent because you have a one block here and the smaller block over there. And it's actually pretty big hotel though. And well, just next to the beach, and beach is cool. All of the other buildings are in the background over there.
I think that last time somebody asking us about is the beach is, you can swim in the beach. Well, basically on the notice board we see that only because of the jellyfish that they remind you about the swimming safety, in the Pattaya. But I see over there are some people actually swimming, and then I read also in the previous sites in the internet that they are afraid of swimming in the Pattaya ocean because of the polluted water or something like that. But if I see that some people swimming, is actually, I don't know, it's just like a freedom of choice, right, honey?
if we are already here anyways, I'm gonna get inside the beach little bit. It's actually pretty empty, but it's also very hot. Some ladies here enjoying their time, ladies trying to sell you some chips, this guy is selling something. And well, the beach looks like this one. Is very, you know, it's 12 o'clock, so everything looks darkish because sun is totally on the top. So looks like this one. Sorry, as everything is dark. Some of you made thinking because it's something wrong with my camera, but it's the lows of the lights whenever you film. Everything is darkish. That's how does it look like, and it's very hot. I think we have to evacuate, yeah,
Let's go.
before I'm gonna get melted here totally. When I'm looking for this guy trying to sell you something, I saw somewhere in Caribbean. There is like a very popular video everywhere on social media, like Coca-Cola normal,
I know.
Coca-Cola zero.
Selling Coca-Cola on the beach, very nice.
Very nice. And the guy will make a mix of this. It could be cool if somebody will sell Coke like this one. Definitely I will buy. Okay, let's go. It's very hot. It's already, my brain is melting because of this heat, and I'm starting singing about the Coke. Let's go. And Coca-Cola zero. Let's go. Maybe I'm gonna grab the Coke. No, okay, let's go. But it's enjoyable to walk. Really nice, isn't it? It's really nice.
Let's go back to the hotel and then we take a bus and we will go back to Bangkok. It's already 12 something. It's check out time. We've been to Pattaya for many times, yeah, Hani?
Already 3 or 4, yeah.
Showing you how is central Pattaya, how is the Jomtien beach, and how is the North Pattaya, Wong Amat beach yesterday. So yeah, would you like to come to Pattaya whenever you are in Thailand? Maybe whenever you are in Bangkok and you just wanna have a beach escape? So you can put a comment here.
Going back to the hotel, so like I said, you can go to Ibis, Mercure and Holiday Inn passing the same road, which is actually very convenient. So that was pretty enjoyable morning, very short shot to the beach. I highly recommend to watching you my yesterday's video if you missed somehow from the North Pattaya. It's totally different than the Sin City. Most of people thinking only about the one thing when is hearing a Pattaya word, but actually Pattaya have a lot of to offer, guys. So we're going back to Bangkok right now. Well, thank you so much for watching. Beautiful red palm trees. By the way, I'm really in love in the stuff like this one, like a coconut trees, palm trees and stuff like this. This is like a tropical stuff. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow as always. See ya. Take care, guys.